Puerto Rico is shining brighter than ever, and the world is taking notice. Located just above the equator, between the Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean Sea, Puerto Rico is the go-to destination in the Caribbean for those seeking fun and enjoyment. Puerto Rico is a unique combination of experiences and attractions enhanced by a history that spans 500 years of Taino Indian, African, and Spanish heritage. As the Commonwealth of the United States, Puerto Ricans are U.S. citizens, English is widely spoken, the U.S. dollar is the official currency, and no passport is required for U.S. citizens visiting Puerto Rico. In practical terms, visiting the island is like vacationing in any other U.S. state. Convenient, accessible, and safe. But with way better beaches and a sunny tropical climate you can't get enough of. You can get away from it all, but still have modern comforts and services. You can enjoy the capital city's enchantments, but it's when you explore beyond San Juan that Puerto Rico's beauty and attractions will take your breath away. You're about to see why everyone's raving about Puerto Rico, the all-star island.